Struggling to keep your old HVAC system working without breaking the bank or losing comfort? So, here's the deal with managing aging, heating, and cooling systems in houses that aren't brand new. First off, always get a thorough inspection before buying a place, especially in winter when you can't really test the air conditioning. If you can't, budget for potential fixes or replacements early on. When it comes to older units, don't just rely on one HVAC opinion. To get a second or even third if you can. Sometimes, newer units don't cool as well as the old ones, so weigh comfort against efficiency. If your upstairs unit is shot, consider investing in a proper outside condenser rather than just slapping a window unit in there. It'll save you money and stress long term. Keep an eye on your plumbing too, especially if your house has copper pipes that might be corroding. Switching to PEX piping can prevent big water damage headaches later. Roofs and floors in older homes can surprise you with expensive repairs, so regular maintenance checks are key, so you're not caught off guard. And when disasters happen, like a tree crashing onto your shed, try to handle removal quickly but safely, and cover holes temporarily with something better than an ugly tarp if you want to avoid further damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with old HVAC systems is ignoring early warning signs like strange noises or inconsistent temperatures. These usually mean bigger problems down the road and cost way more to fix later. Another common issue is trusting just one HVAC company's advice without shopping around or checking reviews, which can lead to unnecessary replacements or overpriced repairs. The fix is to get multiple quotes and opinions before making decisions. Lastly, not budgeting for related home repairs like plumbing upgrades or roof fixes can throw off your whole home maintenance plan and hit your wallet hard. Planning ahead and setting aside money for these unexpected costs helps keep things manageable. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't rip you off. It also helps contractors connect with people who really need their services, making the whole process less stressful on both ends.